Yes. There we go. Oh, beautiful, Mom.
Correct, so easy.
Mm-hmm.
So a little bit, like next time I'd like to make a thicker pie crust.
Yeah. An actual pie crust.
But these do taste good.
Yeah.
You want to cut the edges off because makes it neater. Want to crack me open an egg?
I just stirred that egg up and coat it over the pie crust.
It's in here, it's lasts forever. But I thought I saw it. It came to my mind the other day that I had a little. Didn't even use it. Some people like to put little decorations on their pie crusts, and I do too.
The little snowman figure.
Little, like a, yeah. See if we can get one more out of this. Because I don't want to waste anything.
No.
Because everything is so expensive. So I like to use everything that I can. As much as I can. Then we'll egg wash this.
Egg wash, right?
And this will make a really nice crust. And I want to make sure this vent is going to